Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I'm going to demonstrate how you can build a WhatsApp survey bot in order to collect customer insights effortlessly. And in this video, I will show you a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate my business. And to create that WhatsApp chatbot, we just have to work on 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any customer will send it any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on my behalf. So now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of a WhatsApp survey bot that I have created for my cafe business. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this survey bot will work. For that, I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see I have already created and sent this template to this particular customer. So I have written this: "Hi Jay, Maya here from Cafe Aroma. A quick favor, got some time to share your experience? If yes, tap start survey below. You can stop anytime." So if I'm ready with the survey, then I will click on this start survey button. After that, this bot will send me another message: "Lovely, thank you. I'll ask 3 questions. Should take around 30 to 60 seconds. Ready?" And it is asking me if I'm ready. So I will click on this let's go button. After that, this bot has asked me this first question: "How would you rate your visit today? 1 for poor and 5 for excellent." So I will type down this 5 and I will send it inside this chat. Then you will see this bot is asking me another question: "What did you enjoy most?" So I will select this particular coffee and drinks. After that, this bot will ask me one last question: "One quick thing, what should we improve to make your next visit perfect?" So I will type down this particular text inside this chat. Everything was just perfect. After that, this bot has sent me another message: "Would you like our manager Rohit to follow up about this?" So as I do not want to follow up, so I will click on this no thanks button. After that, this bot has sent me this concluding message: "Thank you friend, we really appreciate your feedback. Here is a small token." So here I have also got token for myself. So you just saw how easy it was for me to collect survey from my customers with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. So this was the demo of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself. So to start with this, we have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and after pressing this enter button, I will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here I have got these 2 different buttons: sign in and sign up free. So if I'm a new user, then I will click on this sign up free button to create my free account, and by creating my free account, I can avail 100 free credits that Pabbly Chatflow gives every month to every new user. And if I'm an existing user, then I will click on this sign in button. But before moving further, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Here you can see Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video. And as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button, and this will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button, and this will get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now as we are inside this dashboard, the first thing that we have to do is we have to add our WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button given on the right side here. And I can select any of these 2 different methods: WhatsApp connect method or manual token connect method, to add my WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those particular videos explaining each of these following features that I have added inside my description box of this video. And after you have added your WhatsApp number, to start creating a flow for yourself, you have to click on this flows given on the left side here, and you have to select this flows. After that, you will get directed on this flow builder page, and in here you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself, and this is the exact same flow that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this flow from here, as I am going to create this exact same flow with you guys. And after that, to start creating a flow, I will click on this add flow button, and this will get me directed on this particular page where you can see this trigger button is visible to me. So we will work on this trigger button, but before that I would like to give a meaningful name to my chatbot, as this chatbot to run WhatsApp service. Now we will work on our trigger steps. So first of all, for this trigger event, from this list of all the trigger events, I will select this particular trigger event template selected because I want my chatbot to get started with the help of this template. So here for this choose template, I will select this particular template, cafe aroma survey invite, which I have already created and got approved by Meta. And how you can create a template for yourself, that I will tell you later in this video. But first of all, let us complete our chat flow. So for that, first of all, I want that whenever my customer clicks on this start survey button, I want to send them a message. So for that, I will drag in this text button from here and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message. Lovely, thank you. I'll ask 3 questions, should take around 30 to 60 seconds. And as I am asking ready, so that's why just below this particular text, I will add these 2 different buttons. And in the first button, I will enter this text, let's go. And inside the second button, I will enter this text, not now. So now we have to set up these buttons one by one. But before that, let me finish this button maybe later. So for this also, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text where you can see I have written this, no problem, thanks for visiting our cafe. If you change your mind, just tap on survey below. So that's why just below this particular text, I will add this button survey. So now so my customer can click on this button directly if they are ready for the survey. So that's why I will connect this particular survey button with this question where I am asking my customer for their 30 to 60 seconds. Now I want that whenever my customer clicks on this let's go button, I want to ask them some questions. So for that, from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles and then inside this enter message box, I will enter the question for my customer. So for this first question, I am asking my customer to rate their visit. So that's why from this drop down, when I will click on this, you can see these are the contact custom fields that I have created from myself. So from here, I will select this particular custom field experience which I have created to store the experience or this particular rating given by my customer. And inside this format, I will select it as any. After that, to ask one more question from this messages here, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text where I am asking my customer, what did you enjoy most? So as I want to give them an option to choose, so for that I will add these 3 different options for my customer to select from. Now inside these options, I will enter this text, coffee and drink. In the second one, I will add this food and pastries, and in the third one, I will add this particular ambience. Now I want that whenever my customer selects any of these, I want to store the selections made by them. So that can be made possible with the help of this custom field. So I will drag in this custom field and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, from this drop down of contact custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field, liked items, and for this value I will just copy this exact same text and I will paste it inside this box. After that, you can see I have successfully added this contact custom field for this particular button so that my customer, whenever they will select this WhatsApp chatbot will store the selection made by them. So just like this, I will quickly add this contact custom fields to each of my buttons. So here I have also added contact custom fields to each of my buttons. Now I will show you how you can create a contact custom fields for yourself. But before that, let me tell you, I have used this text button to give these 3 options to my customer because I wanted to give only 3 options. But if you want to give your customer more options than 3, then for that you have to take the help of this list. So you can see when you will drag this list from here, after that you have to add a section to your list, and inside the sections you can add as many items as you want, and each of these items will be a choice for your customer to select from. So here you can see I have added these 4 different items. So inside this list you can add as many items and as many sections so you want. So if you want to send your customer 4 or more options, then for that you have to take help of this list. But as I wanted to send only 3 options, that's why I have used this text button. So I will delete this list from here, and now I will tell you how to create this contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this window, I will advise you to click on the save button to save the flow that you have made here. Otherwise it will be lost. So here, as our flow is updated, so from the settings here, I will select this particular contact custom field. In here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So to add one more field, I just have to click on this button, and if I will give a name to this particular field, after that as soon as I will click on the save button, this field will get updated successfully. Now I can access this field inside my flow. flows. So if I will open my flows, you can see this is the flow in which I am working. So inside this flow, when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you will see that this particular contact custom field which I have created just now is visible to me. So I can select this if I want to. So this is how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. Now for the next action button, as I want to ask a question from my customer, so from this action features here, I will again drag in this ask question button, and inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular question where you can see I am asking my customer to give me a one line about what I can improve in my cafe. Now first of all, I will connect all of these following circles, and then we will select our contact custom field. So for this contact custom field drop down, I will click on this, and from this I will select this request because I have created this to have requests from my customer, and then for this format I will select it as any, and after that we will move over towards my next action step. So for that I want to send a text message. So for that I will drag in this text button, and after connecting both of these following circles, I will also enter this message for my customer. So here I have also entered the message, and just below this message I have entered these two different buttons, yes please and no thanks, so that my customer can click on this particular buttons if they want to talk to this manager or not. So if they click on this yes please button, I will send them again this question. So for that I will drag in this ask question button, and after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter this particular question where I will ask my customer for their full name so that my manager can know them. And for this contact custom field, I will select this particular custom field full name, and for this format I will select this as text. Now after that, for this last message of ours, from this messages features here, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text, thank you friend, where you can see inside this text I have also given them this particular small token. Now I will connect this question with this text button, and also for this no button also, if my customer clicks on this no button, I will directly deliver them this particular concluding message. So with this you can see I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I just have to create this button not now, and after that we will be all done. So to frame this button not now, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this message box I will enter this particular message, no problem, thanks for visiting Cafe Aroma. And just below this particular text you can see I have also added this button survey, so that if my customer wants to give survey, then they can directly click on this button, and after that as I will connect both of these following buttons, so my customer, as soon as they will click on the survey button, they will automatically get directed on this particular question. So with this, I have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot for our WhatsApp service. Now I will click on this save button to save this flow, otherwise this chatbot will not work as expected. After that, I will open my WhatsApp account to see if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see as I have again sent this particular template. So now as soon as I will click on the start survey button, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will reply instantly, and here I have received this reply. This means that this WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. Now I will show you how you can create a template for yourself. So for that you just have to go on this template feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and from here you have to select this template list. After that, to start creating a template, you just have to click on this button, add template. Then you will land on this particular page, and in here first of all you have to select the category of your template, like marketing, utility or authentication. So from here I will select this marketing. Then you have to give a name to your template. So like I will give this name hello, and here there is a rule for this template name, like name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed, and also this example is also given to you. So now we will select this language as English. You can select any other language also if you want to. So I will select this English, and then for this template type you can either select this text, image, video, document or anything else from this particular list. After that, this is optional for you if you want to enter the header of your template or not. So if I will enter the template hello there, so you can see this is how our header will look, and for this format we have to enter the body of our template. So inside this body I will enter this particular text, this is a test, and you can see this is how our body will look to us. And you can also add the footer if you want to. So if I will type down this word, you can see this is how your footer will look to you. After that, for this interactive actions, you can either select this none or this call to actions, or you can also select this quick replies, or you can select this all. And if you want to select any of them, then you just have to enter these details inside these boxes. After that, to submit this particular template for review, you just have to click on this button, submit. After that, Meta will take whatever amount of time required to approve this template. After that, you can use this template for your business. So here I have also demonstrated how to create a template for yourself. Now I will go back to this flows, and you can see this is the process of creation of this WhatsApp chatbot, with the help of which you can automate surveys for your business. Now if you want to clone this flow, then you can do that by copying the link of this flow from the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.